Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So find the equation of the line that passes through this point and this point here. Okay, so what that will look like is well, this first point here is two across, 6 up. So it will be right here. This is the first point here, and the second point is 9 across, 2 up. So 9 across, 2 up would be here. So if you were to draw a straight line going through those 2 points, what would be the equation of this line here? Okay, so when you're doing this, you don't need a whole grid. Just do it without a grid. Okay, so well, do something like this. Start by drawing a rough grid, and then try and sketch this bit here. So two across, 6 up. Just guess 2 to be around here. Okay, so it's a short way across and then quite a long way up. So let's guess 6 to be around here. So this point here would be 2, 6. Okay, and then have a guess around here. Well, if from here to here is 2, then 9 I would guess somewhere to be around here. So it's a long way across and then just a short way up, just 2 up. So the other point would be here. So just you don't need to do it accurately. Just sketch 2 dots and then just draw a straight line in here, and then remember, if it's a straight line, it's y equals mx plus c, and then find out this gradient here. Well, you need the gradient is always the height divided by the width, and then because it's going downhill, you know it's a negative gradient. So stick a minus in front of that gradient. Yeah, stick the minus in front of this height over this thing. Well, do whatever you want. Okay. So find out the equation for the line that passes through this point and this point. So press pause and have a go. Okay. So hang on. So to do this here, hang on. So to do this here, let's just roughly sketch these 2 points. So it will look something like this. 2 across, 6 up. I'm going to guess around here. So this is 2, 6. And then this point here, let's just guess. It's a long way across, just a short way up. So I'm going to guess around here. So it would be 9, 2. Now draw a straight line. So as soon as we got our straight line, as soon as we got our straight line, it would be y equals mx plus c. Now, what is the gradient here? Well, the gradient here is always the height divided by the width. Well, the height here, is really going to be, remember, this is your x, this is your y, okay? This is your x, and this is your y. So if you want to know this height here, it's going to be 6 take away 2. So the height here is 4. Okay. Now if you want to know the width here, well, from here to here is 9. Well, basically get 9, take away this bit here. Okay. So 9 take away 2 would be 7. So the gradient is always so m will be, well, it's always the height divided by the width. So that would be m, but sorry, m's not complete yet. And because it's going downhill, it's a negative gradient, then just stick a minus in there. So this is your full m, okay? Because the gradient's going downhill, so it's got to be a negative gradient. So let's put this into this m here. So it will be minus 4 x. Remember, this is x multiplying a fraction. So multiply it to the top. So it will be minus 4. So basically, you're multiplying x to the top. Okay. So it will be minus 4x over 7 plus c. Okay. Now, once you're at this stage here, you need to know what c is. So what we do is you can select any point on the line. You could select this point or this point. I'm just going to arbitrarily you choose this one here. Just choose one. It doesn't matter which one you use, this point or this point. So put remember that this is your x and this is your y. Okay, so now we've got to put this into the x and the 6 goes into the y. So it will look like this. 6 equals, now 4 times, remember we are putting the 2 into the x, so it's minus 4 times 2, that would be minus 8 over 7 plus c. Okay, so now just do whatever you have to do in order to find c. I normally visualize this block equals this block plus c. Now, well, you need to get rid of this block, so add this block equally to both sides. So take the 6 down and then add the block to both sides. Okay, equals c, because you on this side you're adding the long block. On this side you're adding the long block as well. Well, basically it's like okay, don't worry about this. So just add the long block to both sides. It would be this, and then it's just a matter of working out c now. So turn this 6 into a fraction. So 6 over 1 plus 8 over 7 equals c. Now, in order for us to add fractions, the two denominators needs to be the same. So let's times top and bottom here by 7. This is just a trick. So here 6 times 7 is 42. 1 times 7 here is 7. Plus, well, leave this fraction, leave it the same. So it would be 7 over 8 equals c. Now the two denominators are the same. We can just add the 2. So it would be this. 50 over 7 equals c. So now we know c is 50 over 7. So we can actually now put it back into here. So now I'm just going to copy this whole thing here. So it would be y equals minus 4x over 7 plus, well, don't forget the intercept is 50 over 7. So we can put in here 50 over 7. Okay, now the two denominators are the same. We can merge the two fractions. So it will be this 4x plus 50. Okay, now remember, because of this long line here, this thing here exists in a bubble. Okay, now here, rather than having a minus something and then plus or something, let's switch them over. Let's switch them over so it's like this. Imagine this is one bubble, and then this is another bubble. Switch them around, so it's like this: 50 minus 4x. It just looks neater rather than having a minus in front. Y would be this. Okay, this is your answer to y. Yeah, if you have, say, minus 3 plus 7, you can switch them over. This as long as you stuff the minus into the bubble. Well, don't worry about this too much, actually. So from here to here. Okay, so this will be your final answer. Okay.